This is how you can use your favorite TikTok sound as your ringtone. First, you need these apps: Ringtone Maker and GarageBand. Then open TikTok. I want to use this sound. Save the video. After saving, close the TikTok app. Open Ringtone Maker. Click on the plus sign. Import from video and choose the TikTok video. Click on Make. Then you click on the GarageBand. You press and hold like this. Click Share, then you click on Ringtone. Continue, then export. Now go to Settings. Now this is the TikTok sound. Let's call and see. Like and comment.